Hey everyone, today we'll be creating this advertisement design for a food brand using Pixellab and Snapseed. So first, let's clear our Canva. Next, let's set our background color to a gradient. The first color is #106933. The second one will be #138B4E. Make it a radial gradient. Let's import our first image. Just crop out the other side of the image and leave only the wooden part. Make the width 100% and position it at the bottom of the Canva. Bring in the burger image. Reduce its size and position it on top of the wood. Go to Shadows. We'll adjust only the offset Y. Set its value to 10. Reduce the opacity of the black shadow. Next, create a circle. Set the opacity to 0. Increase the stroke width to 40 and the blur radius to 25. Adjust the size and place it under the burger image. Reduce the opacity to 60%. Just adjust the size and position it at the right side. Bring the burger image down so it matches with the shadow we've created. Let's bring in the last image we'll be using. Erase the white color from it. I'll just scale it up really big so the part where the lines meet will be at the center. Set the color to one of the green colors from our background gradient. Now, reduce the opacity to 10%. Next, create a circle and place it at the top right. Let's create a simple text logo. Create a new text and just type the letter B. Scale it up. Set the font to Urban Blocker. Just copy the text and edit the text to complete the name Burger Spot. Reduce the size of this one and place it beside the B, like it's one word. Change the color of the text to red and orange. You can copy the color codes from the video. Now, merge the two texts together. Scale it down and just position it in the circle there. Add another text. Set the font type to Gagalin. Copy the text and change it to burger. Position them together. Add a new text. Set the font of this one to Decker. Scale it down a bit and set the color of the last two words to orange. Create a new shape. We'll use this one that looks like a message icon. Reduce the opacity to 0% and set the stroke width to 1. Increase the blur radius to 7. Go to the eraser tool. We'll just erase some parts from the shape. Let's just add a text inside the shape here. We'll make this one completely white. Let's make sure everything here is in order. Save your work and let's head over to Snapseed. Here in Snapseed, we'll import our image. We'll select the pop style preset. Go to View Edits. Click on HDR-scape. Reduce the filter strength. Click back at the top style to bring back everything. Go to Curves and just adjust the green and the luminance. Go to Tonal Contrast and adjust the high tones. Go to Details and increase the structure a bit. Now go to Grain. You can go through all the filters here. For this tutorial I'll be using the A01 style. Just increase the grain and the style strength. Go to Vignette. Just reduce the outer brightness so it doesn't look too obvious. Go to Frames. I'll just use this frame 18. Reduce the frame width. And that's all. Save your work. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on Pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.